Hi, I'm Brendan, and welcome to Personality Epistemology. So in this video, I've arranged the layout items to try to be a little bit simpler than before, where I just rearrange certain elements in this to try to juxtapose some things. So I have in mind a few videos to do this evening, and I'm juggling in between doing cleaning tasks. So I know almost everyone gets overwhelmed by these layouts, and then with me doing video in addition is a little bit complicated. Maybe I can figure out a way to link to an image of this, but I've read Dalio's Principles for Success. As I build an audience for this channel, part of what it'll be about, or part of the sort of thing, will be having a sort of standard list of sort of reference items that I'm encouraging people to check out and know about, and then that will make seeing some of what I see a little bit easier. So Ray Dalio's Principles for Success, I have that referenced here. I highly recommend it. It's 30 minutes total, 8 episodes. I have a reference to Michael Wesch's talk, The Machine is Changing Us, YouTube and the Politics of Authenticity, which includes a quote from Marshall McLuhan: "We shape our tools, and thereafter our tools shape us." And so, like, that whole thing, some of the implications of that are, we're at a point in history where various people are co-creating what happens, and there's a lot to get into and how that works, what the details of it are, but part of it is neuroplasticity, and many people are interacting with a lot of content, and part of what I'm doing and encouraging is to more consciously interact with content or create content. And like, there's a whole thing of like social media addiction, or people quit social media and their life changes. And the thing is, the mindless scrolling is like, okay, how about step away from mindless scrolling and learn how to figure out some strategy for more optimally interacting with the content and doing something with it, discerning what's worth taking the time to engage with or not, things like that. So, and then I have a reference to this book, Epistemic Fluency in Professional Education, about knowledgeable action and actionable knowledge. And so the idea is to learn how to more consciously update like one's concepts, know what one's talking about, and from a Jungian personality angle, it's partly about it's like integrating and learning how to juggle between different functions, like connecting sense, perception, experiences with concepts, and then learning to have concepts that actually are related and grounded in one's own or other examples and sensory examples.
Alright, spent a bit over 50, so let's get back to that pile.
And I will, I'm going to end this here and get back to cleaning for a bit, but I will come back and describe a few more items on here and get into what I'm doing, so I'll be back.